Real estate investing. This is not merely a game of numbers and properties. It is an art that requires strategic thinking, meticulous planning, and an unwavering determination to achieve greatness. Within these vast landscapes of opportunity lie the keys to unlocking financial freedom and building a legacy that transcends time. Join us as we delve into the enchanting realm of real estate investing, where fortunes are waiting to be claimed by those bold enough to seize them. Number 1. Types of real estate investments. There are various types of investments to explore. One option is residential properties, which includes single-family homes, multifamily properties, and even vacation rentals. Commercial properties, such as office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties, offer another avenue for investment. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, real estate investment trusts can be a great option. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without the hassle of direct ownership. Lastly, there's the opportunity to invest in land and development, where you can acquire land for potential future development. With these different types of real estate investments available, you can choose the path that aligns with your goals, preferences, and investment style. Number 2. Key factors to consider. First and foremost, market analysis is crucial. Take the time to understand the local market trends, demand for properties, and economic factors that can influence your investment. Next, don't forget to do your due diligence when evaluating properties. Get inspections done, crunch the numbers, and make sure you're getting a fair deal. And let's not forget about risk management. It's essential to have insurance coverage and be prepared for unforeseen circumstances. Lastly, always remember that real estate investing is a long-term game, so it's important to have a solid investment plan and set realistic goals. By considering these key factors, you'll be well on your way to making smart and successful real estate investments. Number 3. Real estate investment strategies. One popular strategy is the buy and hold approach, where you purchase properties with the intention of holding on to them for the long term. This strategy allows you to generate consistent rental income and benefit from property appreciation over time. Another strategy is the fix and flip approach, where you buy distressed properties, renovate them, and sell them for a profit. It's a bit more hands-on, but can yield substantial returns if executed correctly. Wholesaling is yet another strategy where you find off-market properties and assign the contracts to other investors for a fee. This requires strong networking skills and the ability to spot lucrative deals. Ultimately, the key is to choose a strategy that aligns with your goals, preferences, and resources. By employing a well-thought-out real estate investment strategy, you can navigate the market with confidence and increase your chances of success. Number 4. Real estate investing tips. Building a professional network is crucial. Connect with real estate agents, brokers, and mentors who can provide guidance and valuable insights. Continuous learning is also key, so stay updated on market trends and industry news through workshops, seminars, and online resources. It's essential to develop a solid investment plan and set clear financial goals that includes different types of properties. Conduct thorough research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Always remember that patience is a virtue. It takes time to find the right opportunities, negotiate deals, and build a profitable portfolio. So keep an open mind, stay disciplined, and embrace the journey of learning and growing as a real estate investor. Greetings, savvy investors and financial enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial freedom and master the art of wealth creation? Visit BraylenAV.com and hit that subscribe button to embark on your journey towards prosperity. Act now and let us guide you towards a brighter financial future. Number 5. Real estate financing options. Traditional bank loans and mortgages are popular choices, offering competitive interest rates and longer repayment terms. However, private funding and hard money loans provide alternative options, especially for those with unique circumstances or seeking faster approval. It's important to compare rates, terms, and requirements to find the best fit for your needs. Additionally, exploring creative financing techniques, such as seller financing or lease options, can provide flexibility and unique opportunities. Don't forget to consider factors like your credit score, income stability, and the property's potential cash flow when choosing the financing option that suits you best. By exploring the variety of financing options available, you can secure the funds needed to embark on your real estate journey with confidence. Number 6. Market Analysis Tools. Comparative market analysis is a handy tool that helps you evaluate property values based on comparable sales in the area. It gives you a realistic idea of what a property is worth and helps you make informed decisions. Rental market analysis is equally important, allowing you to assess rental demand and potential income. You can explore online resources or work with real estate professionals to gather data on rental rates and vacancy rates in the area. Staying updated on market trends, economic indicators, and local development plans can provide valuable insights into future growth and potential investment opportunities. By utilizing these market analysis tools and techniques, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to identify profitable investments and make informed decisions in the ever-changing market. Number 7. Real estate investment tax. One key strategy is to take advantage of tax benefits and deductions available to real estate investors. This includes deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and even expenses related to property management and maintenance. Another powerful strategy is to utilize 1031 exchanges, which allow you to defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds from a property sale into a similar property. It's important to consult with a tax professional to ensure you're utilizing these strategies effectively and in compliance with tax laws. By implementing smart tax strategies, you can optimize your real estate investment returns and keep more money in your pocket. Number 8. Real estate investment exit strategies. Timing the market and maximizing returns can be achieved by keeping an eye on market trends and capitalizing on favorable conditions. Effective property marketing and sales techniques, such as staging and professional photography, can also enhance your chances of selling quickly and at a higher price. Another exit strategy is transitioning to long-term rentals or passive income streams. Converting properties into cash flow assets by renting them out can provide a steady stream of income and potential long-term wealth. Exploring options like short-term rentals or lease agreements can add versatility to your investment portfolio. Remember, flexibility is key, and choosing the right exit strategy depends on your financial goals, market conditions, and personal preferences. By planning ahead and having a clear exit strategy in mind, you can navigate the real estate investment landscape with confidence. The world of real estate is a realm where dreams can materialize and fortunes can be built. By strategically acquiring properties, leveraging your resources, and mastering the art of negotiation, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Real estate investing is a game changer, an avenue through which anyone can achieve extraordinary success. So, rise above the mediocrity of conventional thinking, embrace the power of real estate, and unlock the doors to a life of abundance and fulfillment. Remember, the journey may not always be easy, but with persistence, knowledge, and the right mindset, you will transcend the limitations of the ordinary and become a true master. Now, it's time to take action and embark on a path that leads to a future of unlimited possibilities. The world of real estate investing awaits you, ready to reward those who dare to dream big and live even bigger.